3 pages.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Ano muna? Sorry, may call dito Siyempre, senior na mayroon mag-memorize. So, let me begin with this. What God has joined together, let not man separate. That is Mark chapter 10, verse 9. 50 years ago, two people were entrapped and created a great family together. 50 wonderful years since the moment you said, I do. Reaching the 50 years landmark is a dream for some couples. I remember our parents did dream of celebrating their golden anniversary, but unfortunately, on their 48th year, Papi passed away. But you two are living in that dream now. Sana all. Today, as both of you look back with happiness and pride upon the 50 cherished years that you've spent side by side, may every moment and memories that you share of dreams you've seen come true help make this special golden day a happy one for you. How wonderful and special today is for the both of you. 50 years of memories made full of love and happiness, hopes and dreams. What makes today special is that through all ups and downs, you have stayed with each other and continue to grow stronger each passing year. Many good wishes to celebrate this day. Your 50-year journey is a beautiful reminder that true love never fades. I pray that God keep giving you patience, laughter, and pure. I thank your children, Jojo, Jeanette, and Janice, for making it possible to celebrate this special day with us, your siblings, grandchildren, relatives, and friends. Now, cheers to more years of blessed togetherness. Happy 50th anniversary.
Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.